Hello everyone, happy November 20th. Today we celebrate children's rights, peanut butter fudge, and the joy of advocacy and indulgence. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And, if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Universal Children's Day, a global call to protect and empower every child. A great gift could be a children's book bundle, a donation to a youth charity, or a kindness activity kit. How do you support young voices? Let's uplift them in the comments. Next, it's National Peanut Butter Fudge Day, a rich, creamy treat that melts hearts. A thoughtful gift could be a homemade fudge box, a peanut butter dessert cookbook, or a fudge-scented candle. Crunchy or smooth? Let's sweeten the comments.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Name Your PC Day, a fun excuse to give your tech some personality. A sweet gift could be a custom laptop decal, a quirky desktop nameplate, or a personalized screensaver. What's your PC's name? Let's geek out in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.